Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so last class, yesterday we discussed the detailed delta changes in Esperana. We discussed some points, 6 points. Take this continuation. Seven. See here in ECC, the user-defined condition table number is 5012999, but here there is some change. User-defined condition table number, user-defined condition table number 5012999, but here there is some change.
Can you repeat again?
Here you will have 9 extra 9 double A to 9 AV. You can use like this also, 9 double A, but manual. You have to give manually. Now 9 BA to 9 BV, 9 CA to 9 CV, like that. 9 VA to 9 VV, like that. So these are all extra tables, condition table numbers we can give. User-defined condition table number is almost double. User-defined condition table number is almost double. So 9 AA to 9 AV, what is the gap in between AA, AB, AC, like that? Up to AV, how many tables we can create? 9 AA to 9 AV, tell me.
42.
22. Now 22 into 22, how much? Because you have here up to 22 into 22.
480.
484. 484 extra tables you can create. 484 extra tables you can create now in Esperana. Make a note. User-defined condition table number is almost double. User-defined condition table number is almost double. User-defined condition table number is almost double. And take the example 9 AA to 9 AV, 9 BA to 9 BV, 9 CA to 9 CV, 9 DA to 9 DV, like that, 9 VA to 9 VV. So 22 into 22, 484. $484.
Sir, after triple nine, this sequence will come, no? Or
Yes.
from?
No, you can give manual, not after triple nine. Even before triple nine, also you can give manual. This it will take system will accept. Okay. Next, eighth one. Take this document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure length has been increased to 2 digits. Document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure length has been increased to 2 digits. Document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure length has been increased to 2 digits. Document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure length has been increased to 2 digits. Document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure length has been increased to 2 digits. Document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure length has been increased to 2 digits. See, normally document pricing procedure is 1 digit. Present customer pricing procedure is also 1 digit. But now the length has been increased to 2 digits. Next, SD document category. SD document category has been increased to 4 digits. SD document category length has been increased to 4 digits. SD document category length has been increased to 4 digits. SD document category length has been increased to 4 digits. Next, next 10th point. Material master length has been increased to 40 digits. Material master length has been increased to 40. Material master length has been increased to 40 digits. Material master length has been increased to 40 digits. So this is related to MKPF and MSEG table data is also stored in MatDoc table. This is a new table. MKPF and MSEG table data is also stored in MatDoc table. MKPF and MSEG data is also stored in MatDoc table. MKPF and MSEG table data is also stored in MatDoc table. Okay, next. So present the data which stores in means MKPF, MSEC. You have these tables available, but the same data will also update in MatDoc table, which is a new table. Now, if you want any report related to Material Master, no need to search for multiple tables. You will get this data from single table, that is MatDoc. MATDOC. Make a note, bracket, MatDoc table will have MatDoc table will have maximum information. MatDoc table will have maximum information related to MatDoc table will have maximum information related to material and stock updations. Related to material and stock updations. Maximum information related to material. MatDoc table will have maximum information related to material and stock updations. Related to material and stock updation. So we have material information, we have different tables, MARA, MVKE, MVW, MARC. We have other tables like MARD. Stock updations will happen. So we have MKPF, MSEG, like that. There are so many tables related to material master and stock updations and accounting, inventory accounting documents and all. So all these, the maximum information you will get it here in MATDoc. Okay, next. Credit master. Credit master. Credit master. Credit master. T code. FD32. Credit master T code FD32 is eliminated. Credit master T code FD32 is eliminated. Credit master T code FD32 is eliminated. So in credit management, we maintain credit master, we maintain credit limits, customer credit limits, the T code is FD32, so now that is eliminated. Credit master T code FD32 is eliminated. Next. Now, if you see as for HANA, FD32, it is eliminated. You will get this message. T code FD32 is eliminated. And you have T codes to release credit VKM3. VKM2 is eliminated. VKM4 is there. VKM5 is eliminated. So VKM2, the T code to release credit block orders. Make a note. The T code to release credit block orders. The T code to release credit block orders. VKM2 and VKM3, VKM2 and VKM5 is eliminated. The T code to release credit block orders VKM2, VKM5 is eliminated. The T code to release credit block orders VKM2, VKM5 is eliminated. So we have other T codes to release credit block orders. Those are available. Make it on bracket VKM1, VKM3, VKM4 is available. VKM1, VKM3, VKM4 is available. VKM1, VKM3, VKM4 is available. Okay. So these T codes are still available. So in future, we'll have this T code to release credit block orders. We have new T code, but that will be in future, not in present version. Make a note. Here, take this. We are discussing 13th point. VKM2 and VKM5 T codes are eliminated. Okay, next. The new T code means in future you will have. The new T code to release credit block orders. The new T code to release credit block orders is UKM underscore my underscore DCDS. 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 Next, 15th point. There are some FI tables. BKPF, BKPF, and BSEG tables, table data will also be stored in this table. One second. AC DOCA, Act Docker table, AC DOCA, AC DOCA. So BKPF and BSEG table data will also be stored in Act Docker table, AC DOCA table. AC DOCA table. BKPF and BSEG table data will also be stored in AC DOCA table. Okay. Next.
Sir, FD32 is replaced by which transaction or any other thing?
Yes. That now that will be replaced to business BP only, business partner. In BP only we have that credit master.
Okay.
So we have business partner. In BP only will maintain credit master. We have a T code UKM_BP, or you can use BP only T code or UKM_BP. It is up. We'll see that next. Okay. Next point.
Sir, this BKPF and BSEC tables are related to FINA, sir.
Yes. BKPF and BSEG related to FI. Okay. Next. Customers and vendors has been changed to BP. 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 So in Swarana, there is no customer master, there is no vendor master, there is no credit master. Everything has converted to BP only. So customers and vendors has been changed to BP. Next. Credit management. Concept has been moved to FSCM. Credit management concept has been moved to FSCM. Credit management concept has been moved to FSCM. Credit management concept has been moved to FSCM. Bracket FSCM means finance supply chain management. Finance supply chain management. Finance supply chain management. Credit management concept has been moved to FSCM. Means the concept has been moved to FSCM, but we will do the configurations related to credit management. It's an integration between SD and MM. So we have our configurations and FI configurations related to credit management. So credit management concept has been moved to FSCM. Next. Rebate process is replaced. Rebate process is replaced with settlement management. Rebate process is replaced with settlement management. Rebate process is replaced with settlement management. introduced BRF concept, introduced BRF plus concept per output, introduced BRF plus concept per output, introduced BRF plus concept per output, next MB1C. So what is MB1C?
Start questions.
Stock update. Stop loading the stock, sir.
Code has been eliminated. Stock posting. MB1C T code has been eliminated. MB1C T code has been eliminated. Next point. MRP Live is introduced. MRP Live T code is introduced. One second. Um, MD01N. MRP Live. MD01N. MRP Live. Make it note. MRP Live is introduced. MRP Live is introduced. MRP Live is introduced with T code MD01N. MRP Live is introduced with T code MD01N. MRP Live is introduced with T code MD01N. With T code MD01N. Next. Advanced ATP. Advanced ATP concept is introduced. Advanced ATP concept is introduced. Okay. Advanced ATP concept is introduced. So these are the changes we have, mostly related to SD, and some tables like MADDOC, okay, that is and remaining AgDoca, that is FI. The remaining is related to SD. There's some small changes, but major is credit management, BP, rebate, advanced ATP, BRF plus. So these are the main. So MB1C replacement is MyGo. Now we can do stock posting by using MyGo, MIGO. Goods receipt, MyGo we can use for stock posting. Okay. So someone is asking, like SD, as for HANA, if I do both the course, how can I handle? See, you're not doing any extra. See, in SD, credit management is there. Now that credit management has been changed. Someone is asking, can I handle if I do both? So you're not doing anything extra. So in normal SD, you will have output. Here it is BRF. In normal SD, you will have rebate. Here it is settlement management. In normal SD, you will have ATP. Here advanced ATP. So you're not doing anything extra. In normal SD, you will have customer master. Here it is BP. Some of the concepts in normal SD has been changed, but it doesn't mean that you are doing totally new course. It is not totally new course. Some concepts in SD has been changed. So instead of the old one, now you have new one. It's a replacement, but nothing extra here. You have a credit management in ECC. Now that has been changed in S4HANA. You have output in ECC that has been changed now, BRF. You have rebate in ECC that has been changed now, settlement management. You have normal ATP, now that has been changed in S4HANA, advanced ATP. Now you have customer master, now that has been changed in S4HANA, BP, like that. So there are changes in S4HANA. Okay. And in fact, if you do S4HANA, as I mentioned already, it will be easy for you to go through the interview. Because interview, they'll ask only these related questions, interview S4HANA related questions, which are limited questions. You have something around 50 to 60 questions, limited questions. In that only, the total interview will happen. And one more advantage is you will get migration project if you learn S4HANA. Now, it is very easy to handle migration project because everything we discussed during this course, point to point, everything. Same you can follow in your live migration project. So that is one more advantage if you learn S4HANA. One is easy to go through the interviews because limited questions, and easy to do the projects because you will get migration project, very easy to handle. You will get confidence because everything we discuss in the course itself, same you have to do it in live project. You will get more confidence. And after completion of one project, now you will be placed in same migration projects. Now, if you already do one project, you can easily handle the remaining projects. And first projects also you can do with full confidence, like because we discuss here in the course 100% what we do in live. Everything we'll discuss during this migration project. Not only the classroom, you can practice on your own, everything, hands-on experience. Okay. So these are the points we have.
Actually, sir, we haven't get the system access yet.
If you fulfill the formalities, you will get the system access.
Yeah, that has been done earlier on.
Okay, then mostly because practice is not started yet. So you'll get the system access mostly by tomorrow.
So can you please just scroll up the Excel till 12? Okay, okay. Till 12.
So these are the points. These are the even small changes also we address there. Okay. Now,
Sir, can you tell me seventh point once again?
7th point, condition table number in present system, it is 501 to 999, user defined. Now you will have extra. You can have 9AA to 9AV. You can have 9BA to 9BV, like that. Just I'll show you this. See here, V/03 condition table. Now you can mention like this, 9AA, it will accept, like that.
Okay. Mm.
9AB, it will accept. But you have to give manual. Okay. So now all these are extra condition tables in S/4HANA. User defined tables, normally we have limitation 501 to 999. But here you can have extra like 9AA to 9AB, 9BA to 9BB, like that. Okay. So you will get two systems, server access. One is ECC system. First we do in ECC system the migrations, pre-migration activities. Then in the classroom we'll discuss that pre-migration configurations. Then we'll give this system for technical migration. We have technical team. They do technical migration. Then they will convert the data in S/4HANA server. Now you will get S/4HANA server after technical migration. You go through that. You will get all your information in S/4HANA server. Then we do some post-migration configurations in S/4HANA and post-migration activities. Everything we'll discuss that, which you do exactly in real time. Okay. Other than this, you will have one S/4HANA server starting only that we use for greenfield implementation. So when we start greenfield implementation, we'll use that server. But initially we use ECC server for pre-migration. After that, they do technical migration. So let me explain that server related things. Now, first you will get ECC server. For this client is, let me show you. You can name it as VEN, vanilla system, or you can name it as ECC. Okay. Now you will get this server. When it takes server access, you will get user ID. Now client is 500. Remember the client. Client is 500 for ECC server. Now this is ECC server. You can cross check, go to system, status. You will get this server, client 500. Go to system, status. You can see what is the database here. Tell me what is the database in our ECC.
Sybase.
Sybase.
Check the database. Initially, it is in Sybase. Okay. Now click on details. There is detail symbol here. Click on details and go to install product versions. Go to install product versions. Now here you can see this is SAP ERP. This is SAP ERP and version 6 version and enhancement package EHP 8 like that. So this is about how you check this. Initially you will get this system. Here we have to do migration process, pre-migration configurations. Then we have to do post-migration. Then we give this system for technical migration. Then technical migration will be done by basis and ABAP. After that, they will give the system S/4HANA system. Now we go to S/4HANA system. We can cross-check all our data, which we did in ECC. Cross-check that. You will get all the data here. Then we have to do some post-migration configuration and post-migration activities like that. Next. Okay. So we'll do that. Now use this system for migration process and you will get one more server. I'll show you the client that we use for greenfield implementation. Greenfield implementation, we use this. Client is 100 here. Next, ECC server we use for migration project. And we have one more server. You will get S/4HANA server. Client is 100. This we use for greenfield implementation. Okay, take this 2 servers. Initially, you will get 2 servers. But starting, we use only ECC server because we start with migration project. And after completion of migration project, then we start greenfield implementation. For that, we use separate server. Okay. Next.
Sir, is this possible with the client EC server 800 client?
No. You cannot use your own servers. Here you have to take these servers for migration process. So they cannot, here we have one team, technical team. They cannot go to each and every of your servers for technical migration. That is not possible. You have to take this server. This server, they will convert it into S/4HANA. So they will not do it to your individual servers. That is not possible to them. So you have to take this server access from here if you want to practice complete migration process. Okay. Next. So this is the process. This is the these are the servers you will get initially. ECC server client is 500 and S/4HANA server client is 100, which is greenfield implementation. Okay. Next.
Sir, I have one question here. You said ECC 500 client server. Is it production server or development server, sir?
See here, we don't have landscape like development, quality, production. We have only one server
Oh, okay, sir. Yes.
for practice purpose. Okay. Next, take some other points also. Uh, Suddenly we discussed about this. Now 23 point. Now some T codes has been eliminated related to customer master. Take that. Before that, single T code to create, change, and display business partner. Single T code to create, change, and display business partner. That is BP. Single T code to create, change, display business partner. Single code to create, change, display business partner. That is BP. Now, earlier we have different T codes. Like we have T code complete, create, XD01, change, XD02, display, XD03. We create customer sales view, VD01, create VD02, VD03, FI view,
FD01,
FD01, FD02, FD03. Like that, changes it, what the T code to track the changes in customer master, XD04, VD04. Blocking, unblocking, flag for deletion, changing the customer from one account group to another. So like that, we have many T codes for customer master. Now all those T codes has been eliminated because now there is no customer master. All those T codes has been eliminated. Now it is only one T code for everything, that is BP. Now it is only one T code for total customer, vendor, credit master, all masters. You will have one T code. All master means related to the person. Customer, vendor, contact person, credit master. For everything, you will have only one T code. That is BP. Okay. Single T code to create, change, and display business partner BP. Next, 24. T codes eliminated related to customer master. T codes eliminated related to customer master. T codes eliminated related to customer master. Now take all these T codes one by one. FD01, FD02, FD03, FD05, FD06, FD01, FD02, FD03, FD05, FD06. Next, VD01, VD01, VD02, VD03, VD05, VD06. Next, XD01, XD02, XD03, XD05, XD06, XD07, next V-03, 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 V-04. If you want cross-check in your ECC, what are all these T codes? V-04, V-05, V-06, V-07, V-08, V-09, V-11, V plus 21, V plus 22, V plus 23, contact persons, it is VAP1, VAP2, VAP3, like that. So all these T codes has been eliminated. For all these now we have only one T code, that is BP, replaced. Okay, all these T codes has been eliminated. Next, next.
Sir, will you guide us to show this S4HANA project in our resume?
Yes, we'll have resume session. I'll guide you how to mention the project in your resumes. What points should be mentioned? Everything. We have separate class on that. Okay. Next, T codes. Okay, this is not related to SD, but take that. T codes eliminated related to vendor master. 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 Now take this. We have some people like FK01, vendor master, company code view or FIV. FK01, FK02, FK03, FK05, FK06, FK08. Next, MK01, MK02, MK03, MK05, MK06, MK12, MK18, MK19, next XK01, this is complete, vendor master complete. XK01, XK01, XK02, XK03, XK05, XK06, XK07, then contact person, vendor contact, MAP1, MAP2, MAP3, like that. Next, so no change in customer master tables and vendor master tables. No change in customer master tables and vendor master tables. No change in customer master tables and vendor master tables. No change in customer master tables and vendor master tables. No change in customer master tables and vendor master tables. So we have tables like KNA1, KNB1, KNVV, KNVI, KNVP. So we have all the tables we discussed in customer master. We have the tables in customer
Like ADRC, sir.
Yeah, ADRC. So we have all these tables available as it is. Mute yours. Okay. So we have tables, existing tables as it is. You have in Esperana also. Okay. So no changes in customer master and vendor master tables. The new table for BP. The new table for BP is BUT 000. New table for BP is what? BUT 000. Next. Next point. Customer and BP link table. Customer and BP link table is CBI underscore cust underscore link. We'll see all this in system when we discuss about the BP concept. We'll discuss all these points in system. Okay. Customer and BP link table CBI underscore cust underscore link. Customer and BP link table. Next, CBI underscore cust underscore link. Vendor and BP link table. Vendor and BP link table. CVA underscore vend underscore link. Okay. Next. Customer contact person link table. 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 CVA underscore cust underscore CT underscore link. CVA underscore cust underscore CT underscore link. Vendor contact person link table. CVA underscore vend underscore CT underscore link. CVA underscore vend underscore CT underscore link. Next. Next.
Sir, what is this link concept here, sir? We'll discuss.
We'll discuss. See, when you create BP in S4HANA, backend, it will create customer master also. But that will be confusion at this point of time. So when we discuss live the BP, then I'll show you that all this. Okay. Next. Okay. So after taking access, S4HANA access, you can go and cross-check the points, the small points like access number, SD document category length, all those you can cross-check in your system when you get access to S4HANA. So these are the maximum difference changes, delta changes in S4HANA. Okay. Next. Now we'll see heading, take the heading migration process. Migration process. Migration process. Here, first step, pre-migration configurations. In migration process, first step is pre-migration configurations. Pre-migration configurations. Now here, you will be given this ECC server, ECC server, application is ECC, and here database is Sybase, and here version 6, version is 6. In our system, version is 6, and EHP 8, like that. So application is ECC, and version 6, EHP 8, database, Sybase, like that. So you will get this system. Means this is the present system which client is using. Now here, first thing, basis will apply SAP nodes in the existing system. Basis will apply SAP nodes. Basis will apply SAP nodes. So this is a prerequisite, but that basis consultant will handle that. He will apply SAP nodes. Next, second activity, pre-migration configurations. This SD and MM consultant will do this. SD and MM consultants responsible for this. So here, first point, pre-migration configurations. First point is define BP roles. So before this, we have to take all the account groups. Take all the account groups. Take all the, we'll discuss only about customer. Take all the customer account groups. And number ranges which are in use. I'll show you how to take all this. Take all the customer account groups and number ranges which are in use. This is the first point. Second point, activate BP. So first we have to in ECC, what are the account groups which they are using and what is the number ranges that you have to take it first. Take all the customer account groups and number ranges which are in use. I'll show you how to get that. Customer number ranges and account groups. Okay. Next, activate BP. Then define BP roles, all this we'll discuss in system. Define BP roles, define BP groupings, define BP roles, define BP groupings, define BP roles, define BP groupings, define BP number ranges, define BP number ranges, assign customer account groups to BP groupings, assign customer account groups to BP groupings, next, assign customer account groups to BP roles, assign customer account groups to BP roles, run upgradation check report, run upgradation check report, we have report, we will run that. Now this report will tell you the errors in migration configurations. If you miss some points, this report will inform you or guide you. So related to BP configurations, we call CVI, customer vendor integration, CVI. We use that word CVI. So CVI, is there any problem in CVI? So that this report will guide you. Just take that. Run upgradation check report. Then run item check report. We call simplification item check report. Run simplification item check report. Then final step is run simplification item check report. Now this report will tell you, simplification item check report will tell you the errors related to all modules for migration project. Now we have to solve those errors. Means here you will not get only customer vendor integration. You will get errors related to all areas, all modules. So it will show you. So first you have to solve that, then only you can do the next process, technical migration. Without solving that, you cannot do technical migration. So you have to solve that. Okay. So these two reports is important here. One is upgradation check report, one is simplification item check report. Okay. So here we have simplification item check report will give you the errors related to all the modules. Here we have some codes like error code or return code, we call error code or return code. So error code, return code, if it is greater than 7, then that has to be solved. Otherwise, you cannot proceed further. If it is less than 7, okay, you can skip that. So here we have return codes, greater than 7, less than 7. Greater than 7 means you have to solve it. There is no other option. You have to solve that error, then only we can proceed further. Otherwise, system will stop technical migration. You cannot do technical migration. If you have any error greater than 7, and if that error is not solved, then you cannot do technical migration. Okay. So, but the errors, we have some errors which less than 7 error code or written code. So that you can skip. Okay. So when we go to system, we will run this report. I'll show you that. So here written codes greater than 7, less than 7, or else take the notes for this. When you run simplification item check report, 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 system will display the errors. When you run simplification item check report, system will display the errors. Belongs to all modules. System will display the errors.
You did.
If the return code is greater than 7, if the return code is greater than 7, if the return code is greater than 7, then those errors should be solved. Those errors should be solved. Those errors should be solved. Otherwise, system will stop technical migration. Otherwise, system will stop technical migration. Otherwise, system will stop technical migration. Next line. If return code is less than 7, if the return code is less than 7, then you can skip those errors. You can skip those errors. If the return code is less than 7, you can skip those errors. If the return code is less than 7, you can skip those errors. You can skip those errors. Okay, now finally we have to migrate customers and vendors to vendors to BP. So first convert, you can say convert or migrate, it is up to you. So migrate customers and vendors to BP. So in ECC system, first you will convert all your customers to BP and convert all the vendors to BP. So this is the final activity in ECC system. So the main activity in ECC is you have to convert all your customers and vendors to BP. For that, you have to do the before steps. Activate BP, BP define BP roles, define BP groupings, like that. All those previous steps, the purpose is for the final step. What is the final step? Migrate all customers and vendors to BP, or convert all the customers and vendors to BP. So this is the main activity in ECC system. So in ECC system, the main role is SD and MM consultants. In ECC system, the main role is SD and MM. In ECC system, the main role is for SD and MM consultants, because SD will migrate all customers to BP and MM will migrate all the vendors to BP. But to migrate, first you have to do all these configurations, which we discussed. Okay. Next. So this is about migration process. Take this, take all this.
Can you please just scroll up?
So these are the steps we do exactly in ECC system as a pre-migration configurations. Over. Make a note. Once you migrate all customers and vendors, to BP successfully, once you migrate all customers and vendors to BP successfully, once you migrate all customers and vendors to BP successfully, then we will inform to technical team. Then we will inform technical team for doing technical migration. Then we will inform technical team for doing technical migration. Then we will inform technical team for doing technical migration. We will inform technical team for doing technical migration. Now, here, migration process first is pre-migration configuration. Then second one here, technical migration. Technical migration. Basis and ABAP is responsible. Basis and ABAP is responsible. So once you are successful, once you do the migration, migration of customer and vendor successfully to BP, then we give this system for technical migration. We'll inform to technical team for technical migration. Basis and ABAP is responsible. So in technical migration, what happens? All the existing data will be converted into S/4HANA system. That is the main activity in technical migration. In technical migration, all the existing data will be converted to S/4HANA server. Will be converted to S/4HANA. Take this. In technical migration, all the data, all the master data and the transaction data, all data, not only master data, transaction data, open transaction data, or if you have any enhancement data, everything, all the information, all master data and transaction data will be converted to S/4HANA. S/4HANA server. So that is what they do in technical migration. All the data, they will move from your ECC server to S/4HANA server. And here database is HANA database like that. Okay. Now after that, finally, we do post-migration configurations. But here, what is the server?
Sir, all transaction and enhancement data means all standard and customized objects relevant to ST or only selected objects.
All the data, not selected, all data will be converted to S/4HANA server. Okay. Now here, this is S/4HANA server, and here application is S/4HANA. Application is S/4HANA, and here database is HANA database. Okay. Now here we do configurations. This is S/4HANA, and we call post-migration configurations.
HANA server also having clients, sir, like client number.
Yes.
May I know the client number, sir? That is S/4HANA.
In real time or in?
Real time.
Sorry?
Real time and practice time also.
Real time, do you know, what is your name? Real time, do you know who will give the client number? Who will generate the client number? How can I tell you the real time client number for S/4HANA? That is not fixed. Here practice system, I can tell you 100. Practice system, it is 100. But in real time, how can I give the, in ECC, do you have standard client number in real time? Tell me.
No.
So client number will be generated by basis. He will give the client number. Okay. Here practice purpose is 100. Okay. So post-migration configurations. Here we do first point, BP configurations for direction, BP to customer. What is BP to customer direction? We'll see that. So we do the first this BP configuration, then credit management configurations, then migrate credit master. We have to migrate credit master to BP. Migrate credit master. Migrate condition master. migrate condition master, like, so these are the activities we do. BRF, settlement management, advanced ADP. If client asks, then only we do that. Otherwise, this is the basic we do in post migration. Like, take this. Okay. So these are the steps which we do in migration. Now, in next class, we'll see we start the process one by one. First, you take the server access ECC server. There we do pre-migration configurations. Then once everyone practice pre-migration configurations, once everyone migrate their customers to BP, then we will give this system to technical team. I'll inform before giving it to technical team. I'll inform you. If you have any pending practice, then you have to do. I'll inform well before. Okay. Next. Remaining will continue next week.
Actually, what I want to say that if you can give ECC access right now itself, so we can do some configurations in that. So after that, once the migration will start, so we can easily do this mentioned steps.
Your voice is not clear. What is that?
Now, audible, sir? Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, and what I mean to say that, sir, if you give us ECC access after this class, after some time, so we can start the configuration.
ECC access, but see, from management side, you could fulfill that.
Your voice is very.
See, management, there is no issue from management. They'll give you server access, but they need some, they have some requirement. If you fulfill that, you will get the server access. I'll ask management to provide that.
See, whatever the management side issues are there, sir, that are already fulfilled. So I'm talking about, then only we getting the link, sir. After that only we are getting the link.
You fulfill those requirements, then I'll ask management to give you the server access today so that you can create your enterprise structure. Everyone, you can create your enterprise structure, okay, let me take server access today. I'll ask management to provide that. And everyone try to do this by next class. Enterprise structure, simple enterprise structure. One company code, one sales organization, 2 distribution channels, 2 divisions, and sales area. No sales office not required. Sales office, sales group, and 1 plant, 1 storage location, 1 shipping point. Okay. So divisions, try to take 2 divisions, 2 or 3.
Hi Ravi. Santosh here. Ravi, actually I joined little bit late. Can you hear me?
Let me complete this. I just want to inform you. So, okay. So take the server access ECC and try to do this enterprise structure. Simple enterprise structure. Divisions take 2, remaining all 1. Next, create your own account group. Create some 2 to 3 account groups. Okay, starting, create 1 account group. Create your own account group. Create 1 account group. Then create own number range. Create own number range. create own member range. Then do partner determination. You know partner determination. Do partner determination for your account group. 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 Then create customers, create some 20 customers, create 20 customers with your own account group. See, what is this? Avinash? Avinash, can you hear me?
Sir, I just want to know what will be the version.
No, you are sending some messages. I already mentioned that we will cover everything.
Okay.
What is your issue? Do you have any doubt?
Yeah. What is the version that will be used in this migration process?
2021, latest version.
Oh, okay. And one more question, sir. So, in this process of migration, are we copying the data from ECC to S4 or is it completely moved from ECC to S4?
Yes. We'll have separate basis class. I hope I already informed you. So all these doubts you can ask. He will clearly mention that how he will move. So to clarify this kind of doubts, we'll have separate session with basis consultant. You can ask that question.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. So do this after taking server access. Today you will get server access, the students. Now, after once you receive server access, do this. Create some 20 customers finally with your own account.
Should we create a vendor for that? If you.
First of all, your voice is not clear. Check on your side, then you can ask. I don't know, what is your Moin?
Yeah, Ravi sir, yes. Now
you can send message. There is noise at your end. Send me message, I'll address to you. But don't ask.
Sir, one account group is enough, or we can create 3, or under these 3, we can go with
initially one is enough. Initially one is enough. With that account group, you create some 20 to 30 customers.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hi, sir. So in
Yes.
pre-migration configuration, if the customer is available only in F5 screen, it means FD01 screen. So who will be the responsible to migrate to BP?
We SD and MM. SD responsible for customer, MM responsible for BP. So in ECC also, you will have BP. After applying SAP notes, we migrate to BP. In ECC also, someone is asking. We will have BP, but after applying SAP notes, you can do BP. For that, SAP notes is required. Pradeep Kumar. In ECC also, you will have BP related configurations. You will have BP master, but you have to SAP basis has to apply these SAP notes. So we are responsible for the customer. So we do only customer related, vendor related, we don't do that. Mohammed Moin, you are MM consultant. Huh? Mohammed Moin.
No, sir. No, sir.
You are
SD++. So when we'll do BP migration, so we'll do both migration, customers as well as vendor. So,
if you do both, then what MM consultant will do? He will follow you. Huh? If you do SD job and MM job, then what MM consultant will do?
no, just asking for the knowledge purpose. That's it, sir. Nothing else.
No, please concentrate on what is your role.
Okay, thanks. Thanks, sir.
Sir, what is SAP Note, sir?
SAP Notes will have program corrections and program updations. So if you want any functionality or if you want some extra configurations or extra activities or extra functionalities, then we have to, SAP will release SAP Notes, we have to apply that. That will change the programs in the backend.
Sir, if it in the ECC all the enhancement user exist, all it will migrate to S4 HANA during the migration.
All total 100%. Whatever is there in ECC, 100% will migrate into S4 HANA.
Okay.
So you need to point out whether this will update or that will update. 100% it will update. Okay. So next class we'll continue this with the configurations in system. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.